Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do turkey wings. First, ensure your turkey wings are clean and completely dry. This helps achieve crispy skin. Next, separate the wings into 3 parts: the drumette, the flat, and the tip. You can discard the tips or save them for stock. Finally, season them generously with your preferred blend of herbs and spices for maximum flavor. There are several delicious ways to cook turkey wings. Roasting in the oven at 375 degrees F for about 60 to 90 minutes yields tender results. For a crispy exterior, consider frying them in oil heated to 350 degrees F until they are golden brown. Alternatively, slow cooking for 3 to 4 hours on low heat ensures incredibly tender, fall-off-the-bone meat. To get that perfect crispy skin, try increasing your oven temperature to 400 degrees F for the final 15 minutes of cooking. For incredibly tender and juicy meat, consider brining your wings for at least 4 hours before cooking. Always use a meat thermometer to ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees F for food safety. Once your turkey wings are perfectly cooked, it's time to serve them. Offer a selection of your favorite dipping sauces, such as barbecue, buffalo, or a creamy ranch. They pair wonderfully with classic side dishes like mashed potatoes, coleslaw, or a fresh green salad. Garnish with some fresh chopped parsley for an appealing presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.